One of the most requested camera comparisons in recent times is the one between the Redmi Note 7 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A50. A lot of you folks seem to want a comparison between these two phones and figure out how these cameras actually fare against each other. So you know what, I've actually taken pictures and I'm doing my evaluation right now. It takes some time, but in the meantime I decided to actually share the pictures with you guys so that you can figure out in a blind test which camera pictures do you like the best. So without wasting any more time, I'm Ershad from Mr. Phone, and let's get down to this very interesting blind camera comparison. But before we move on, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it to get notified whenever Mr. Phone puts out an awesome new tech video. Now for those who haven't seen our blind tests before, basically we'll show you pictures from both these phones. One of them will be marked A, one of them will be marked B, but we won't tell you which one is which. So you know what I suggest is actually take a pen and a paper and start noting down for each of the parameters or each of the test scenarios that we have. Write down your favorite choice, whether it was A or it was B. And at the end of the video, we shall tell you which phone was A and which phone was B. So let's get down to the comparison. So now I'm shooting a video using the Redmi Note 7 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A50 in 1080p 30 FPS. Yes, the Redmi Note 7 Pro can also do 4K. I will definitely switch to that in a bit, but now what you can see is there's a good amount of light that is falling on the trees, and I'm behind the camera right now, and you can hear my voice, and you can check for stabilization as well as I turn it around and show you if it manages to keep things in focus and how the dynamic range changes when we move to something harsher. Hey guys, I'm shooting a video using the Galaxy A50 and the Redmi Note 7 Pro using the front camera on both these phones. In 1080p 30 FPS, you can see behind me the dynamic range, how my face looks, and how I sound. And you know what I'll do right now is I'm actually in a nice shade area, so it sort of looks great on my face. So now I'll walk out quickly and the light will fall on me and it'll be really harsh. So you see that right now? Alright. So we've come to the end of this comparison, and you know, you guys have seen all the pictures between the Samsung Galaxy A50 and the Redmi Note 7 Pro. What did you guys think? Made your choices? Well, it is time for the final reveal. The phone marked A, the pictures captured from the phone marked A was actually captured by the Samsung Galaxy A50, and the pictures, of course, marked B were captured by the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So was the result surprising or shocking according to you guys? Do let us know in the comment section below. I will give my verdict soon as well, so wait for that video. Until next time, this is Ershad from Mr. Phone signing off. Goodbye. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Phone.